You set the boundaries. The reason why a lot of young people get caught in teenage pregnancy and all kinds of problems, because they did not set boundaries. They did not hold on to it. Hello today. But if we are to do a relationship, we must do it God's way. When God made Adam and Eve, man, he set boundaries. Is that right? He says, of all the fruits in the garden, you may freely eat or enjoy everything, but this one. This one. Why did God have boundaries? Is it because he hates us? No. It's because he loves us and he knows if we venture beyond the borders of safety, it is trouble out there. So he sets the fence, the barbed wire, to keep us inside. Some time ago, while we were living in New York, my second son was very young. He was maybe 2 or 3. We had a gate. And we tried to keep the gate closed. That's the boundary. But we were playing ball on the inside. Said the yard, backyard. And somehow the ball got through the gate. Went to the road. When we looked, we said, where is Daniel? He was about maybe 3. He ran out through the gate after the ball. And then was about to go across the road. Oh, I saw my wife turned red. She sailed through the gate, man. And all of us, we ran to the road and we captured him, and my wife just started crying. Just what might have been if he had gone across the road. Every time I preach this message, I remember that incident. The boundary is to keep us safe. That's why God puts a boundary, put a fence. Because he knows if we go through the gate, we don't even have the understanding. We don't have the wisdom to navigate it right. And there are foxes and wolves out there to eat us alive. So God puts a boundary. In your relationship, you must have boundaries. If not, you may venture through the gates, and the rest of your life may be characterized by pain and heartache. We must live within the boundary. Friends, my time is gone. I'm just a number 1. How to create a happy marriage. Love unconditionally. But you know, in 5 minutes I'm going to close.